How you doing, guys? EK Trader here. It's August 3rd, 2009 at 3:35 p.m. Market's gonna close in about another 25 minutes. Um, Basically, what I'm looking at is the Russell 2000 Index Mini Size Futures. Um, some of you have seen my signature trade before. This 512 tick breakdown. I'm about to short two contracts right now at the market. I caught the little retracement that I was looking for, and basically I'm just looking to catch a few points to the downside. Um, just to recap how this particular trade works for me. Uh, Here I have a 12 period moving average. Here I have a 24 period moving average. And my goal is once I get a close below or above both moving averages, I wait for the retracement back to the closest moving average, and I take the trade in the direction of the candle. So in this case, my goal was to take the trade right here. Uh, like I said before, the good thing about this particular trade is that it kind of just wraps a whole bunch of things into one. It's not the fact that the trade always gives me a win or anything like that, but I know that when I do the trade, I know where my stop loss is, which is usually relatively tight, and usually it's good for a couple points to the downside. So I like to take it. Not a couple points, but a couple of ticks to the downside. Um, as you can see, I'm already beginning to be a little bit profitable, so I'm happy about that. Plus the overall right now, it's coming close to the end of the day. We've rallied up a lot of points. There should be profit taking. I have that on my side. So it's just about trying to catch a few points at the end of the day. Um, I like to get into trade actually before these moving averages cross, which I've done, because the way I feel, if the moving averages have already crossed, you're already late in the play. So hopefully I can get a little more strength to the downside. Uh, Volume wise, um, you see this volume spike here. Market goes up, but the next candle completely fades it down, which tells me that there was also a lot of selling in this volume candle. As you can see, these two candles, the volume was even, it was average, but both candles were down. Then on this next candle, slightly higher volume and still down, candle went up a little bit, so that tells me there was probably some buying in the candle, but the overall consensus right now temporarily is weakness. So I'm gonna go with that for now. 56, 320. This trade is just about to reach my stop loss level, and if that happens, then that's fine. I'll take my stop and move on. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video and bring it back, hopefully, as I'm about to close this out for a profit. Thanks for watching. How you doing, guys? EK Trader. I'm back. Um, as you can see, the play is still outing around with disaster here a little bit, but the play is still seems to kind of be going my way. Uh, I'm still profitable, but just barely. It's kind of playing around a little too much, making me nervous a little bit. Um, Still looking for a little better results. As you can see, it's kind of trying to push a little lower here, making me tempted to stay into the play. Okay, now it seems to be falling pretty nicely. I needed to break this little. There we go. That's fall I was looking for. Now I'm gonna start moving my stop down. Hopefully I can walk out of this trade with at least 200, but I'd like to catch an even long. Oh, and I just got pushed out of the trade, and it's probably gonna drop even further. But oh well, I'm not gonna chase it. Not gonna chase it. An easy 200 bucks. I'll take that. Very good day today. I'm happy with myself. I did have a couple losers today also. I did about six or seven trades today, just a little more than I'd like to do. It's kind of like over trading, I guess. But yeah, I definitely had a couple losers in here. Nothing big though. Had a big winner at the beginning. Everybody saw that. Just made a few bucks there. So overall, pretty good day today. Anyway, just want to thank you guys for taking a look, my blog, seeing what I'm doing, and until then, I'll be posting something else later. Take care.